Your hairstyle can completely change the way you feel when you walk into the workplace. And being professional doesn't mean your hair has to be boring. In today's video, we're looking at elegant, protective and easy work hairstyles for black women that are perfect for the modern professional woman in 2026 and 2027. Whether you're heading to the office, attending an important meeting, going for an interview, running your business, or simply want to look polished every day, these hairstyles will give you plenty of beautiful inspiration. So let's get started. First up is the classic sleek low bun. There is something timeless about a beautifully styled low bun. It's simple, sophisticated, and incredibly versatile. You can wear it with a middle part for a clean and modern appearance, or choose a side part for a softer and more feminine look. Pair your sleek bun with simple earrings, a tailored blazer, or a beautiful blouse, and you instantly have that polished professional appearance. The best part is that you don't need an elaborate hairstyle to look expensive. Sometimes simplicity is the real definition of elegance. Next, let's talk about knotless braids. Knotless braids continue to be one of the most versatile, protective styles for black women. For work, consider medium-sized or shoulder-length knotless braids. They look neat, sophisticated, and can be styled in several different ways. You can wear them down, pull them into a low ponytail, create a bun, or simply tuck them behind your ears for a clean, office-ready appearance. If you're a busy woman who doesn't want to spend a lot of time styling your hair every morning, this is definitely a style worth considering. Now let's move on to the braided bob. If you love braids but don't want extremely long hair, a braided bob could be the perfect choice. It's youthful, elegant, and professional without looking overly formal. A chin length or shoulder length braided bob can beautifully frame the face, while keeping the overall appearance neat and sophisticated. This is especially beautiful when paired with minimalist jewelry and a structured outfit. Next is the natural hair updo. And this one is for the women who love embracing their natural texture. Your natural hair can look incredibly elegant in the workplace. Try gathering your hair into a polished puff or creating a sophisticated updo. You can add a clean middle part, smooth the edges gently, and finish with elegant earrings. The goal isn't to completely change your natural texture. The goal is to present it in a way that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and beautifully put together. Now let's talk about Senegalese twists. Senegalese twists are another excellent option for working women who want a protective hairstyle with plenty of personality. Medium-sized twists in a shoulder length or medium length style can look incredibly sophisticated. And because the twists can be styled into buns, ponytails, or half-up styles, you don't have to wear them the same way every day. Next, we have flat twist updos. If you want something that looks more intricate while still maintaining a professional appearance, a flat twist updo is a beautiful choice. The twists can be arranged into an elegant bun or swept toward the back of the head. This style works beautifully for formal meetings, presentations, weddings, conferences, and other occasions where you want your hairstyle to make a statement without being distracting. Another beautiful option is the cornrow ponytail. Cornrows can be incredibly stylish and professional when they're neatly designed and properly installed. You can choose simple straight-back cornrows or a more creative pattern. Then gather the braids into a sleek ponytail. It's practical, stylish, and gives you a beautiful way to keep your hair organized throughout a busy workday. And if you love low-maintenance styles, mini twists are another fantastic option. Mini twists give you the opportunity to protect your natural hair while still enjoying a soft and versatile look. You can wear them loose, create a bun, make a ponytail, or accessorize them with a simple hair accessory. For a professional setting, remember that the most important thing isn't necessarily choosing the most complicated hairstyle. It's choosing a hairstyle that makes you feel confident and comfortable. And finally, let's talk about the elegant braided updo. This is one of those hairstyles that can instantly elevate your entire appearance. Imagine beautifully arranged braids gathered into a sophisticated updo, paired with a tailored blazer, delicate jewelry, and a confident smile. That is the definition of effortless elegance. But there's one important thing to remember when choosing a protective hairstyle. Protective doesn't automatically mean tension-free. Always make sure your hairstyle isn't installed excessively tight, particularly around your edges and hairline. Your comfort and hair health should always come first. A beautiful hairstyle should make you feel good, not cause unnecessary discomfort. And remember, professionalism doesn't have one hairstyle. Black women can wear braids, twists, natural hairstyles, buns, cornrows, lokes, and countless other beautiful styles while looking polished and confident. The key is neatness, confidence, suitability for your workplace, and choosing a style that works with your lifestyle. So whether you're a corporate professional, entrepreneur, teacher, healthcare worker, creative, or business owner, there is a beautiful work hairstyle waiting for you. Which one of these hairstyles would you actually wear to work? Let me know your favorite style in the comments. And if you enjoyed these elegant hairstyle ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Shula's Hairstyles, and turn on the notification bell for more beautiful, protective, easy, and professional hairstyles for Black women. Remember, your hair is part of your style, and your style is part of your confidence. Walk into every room looking polished, feeling confident, and knowing that you deserve to take up space. I'll see you in the next video.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shula's hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid's held.